All right, Saturday and Sunday, we're way down the list there on that seventh day I noticed. It's only Tuesday, but it's never too early, right, to start looking forward to the weekend.
Yeah, and this weekend, the Houston Theater District hosts its free open house. Our Sherry Williams is at the Wortham Center with a look at what you can see there. Hey, Sherry.
Hey, you guys, this is Bruce Manners. He's a local juggler. He's also in Faust at Houston Grand Opera, and he's teaching me a few things this morning. He spun the plates for me, something I'm used to doing early morning live shots. And now, show me what you were trying to show me with the balls. Take the plates.
Sure. Yep.
I want to break them.
Put those down.
Those were just plain old pins. See?
Wow.
I feel pretty talented doing that. I could not get this, y'all. Show them first what looks easy, but is hard.
Here you go.
That's hard, you guys.
Oop.
I couldn't even get it. Well, that's super hard. And then just show them the little easy move you were trying to teach me.
All right, here we go.
It wasn't happening.
Real quick lesson. Hold this one.
All right.
Take one over there. I'm going to come around to the side.
Here comes a finger.
All right, you put this hand back here.
All right.
All right, here we go.
Here we go.
I'll toss this one up. You toss that one over.
All right.
Here we go. Whoop.
Oh, you go
one
first.
at a time, one at a
You go
time.
first.
Toss.
Catch.
Oh, you're back up. Next one's coming fast.
Okay. Now show them what it should look like.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Whoop.
He taught himself to juggle reading a book.
Juggling for the complete klutz.
Tell us about the production you're in.
So I'll be performing in Faust in October, and then this weekend is the Theater District Open House. I'll be at the Wortham Center for the Houston Grand Opera.
The Theater District Open House is a great thing. This will be the 23rd year. It's free. People bring their kids. They come. You get a behind-the-scenes tour of 5 major venues here in the Theater District. And did you know we're second only to New York in terms of theater seats?
No, I did not know that.
Now,
But,
you know,
a lot of great stuff here.
Act like you know.
Come on out and say great one-day savings on opportunities to see lots of shows here.
One-day sale. I'm like, is this Macy's?
Yeah.
What are you talking about? Clay, our producer, actually met him at Dickens on the Strand. So give Clay a shout-out.
How you doing, Clay?
All right, back to juggling. You guys, it has been so much fun behind the scenes. I want to tell you this one last thing. Bruce, get to work. You just standing there like... He's such a good sport. I'm just messing with him. You guys, you know, last hour I was vaccine at the wardrobe room of the Houston Ballet. Here's something I learned. The tutus and all of that, Lisa and Russ, they wash that stuff in vodka and water in a baby pool.
What?
Because it's so delicate, but the vodka kills all the germs, all the bacteria, and it dries quick.
And it makes the ballerinas very happy.
Another use for vodka. Good stuff out there. Oh.
That's great. And Sherry shouldn't feel bad, by the way, because you notice when the juggler started doing his live TV, he stopped juggling too.
Yeah.
He can't do both.
Talking and I can't do it.
He can't do it either.
So.
Yeah.
Talented folks out there. That's why we're in here for a reason,
Exactly
right?
right.